If you have images or elements in your Figma that you would like to export to put in your WordPress site, let me show you how you can do that. So let's say we have a photo here, and I want to take this photo and I want to export it. I can come down to export. I am going to click on 4 times so it's a higher quality, and PNG is fine here, and I'm going to, I can also click preview so I know what I'm selecting, and then I can export it. Then I can upload that into WordPress. Now let me tell you about a little bit more that we could do in here, because WordPress is not great at having text over a photo. Sometimes I might choose to take 3 elements, so the headline, the text, the photo, and I could group these 3 things. Come back over to export, and then it will export these as one image. If I didn't group them first, it would export them as 3 separate elements, but now I can export that and I can upload it.